I know it's unconventional, but we play, we drink, we learn.
If you think about it, there's really like 3 phases in your life.
Anyone can earn money, but it's kind of about how you keep it and make it grow.
Wealth building, then family building, and then legacy building.
I feel like there's a lot of information out there. Sometimes it can be a little bit overwhelming.
I was like, what does this mean? Like, what is maxing out your 401k?
Things are always changing, and I feel like I'll have to constantly update my toolbox to reflect that.
Your boat should be here. Your house is here.
It's all about network and learning your craft really well.
Your business is here.
And once you get those things nailed, you can build your way up.
Like, even paying taxes is something that I'm still learning how to do.
And these things operate very separately.
When you're little, you think of just a big house and what you see in the movies, but wealth means a lot more than just money at this point.
That's really the idea of tonight. I hope you liked it, and we want to do this on a regular, and we want to make it good. So, thank you.